Oh dear.
You know where you want it?
Where do I want what?
That whole table.
I don't know, let's have a look. Is it dickered? It's a good one.
Probably be alright for piling shit on. Workbench.
It's a good battery table. Oh, one of them guys.
But made with metal.
Right on. Gonna have to get the situation sorted out here. I got a couple guys bothering me about this, wanting to trade me dirt bikes and stuff, but one guy's got an F3 shitty or something, like a rusty, or not a rusty, a big dirty, except for it's like, you know, shittier, right? He's just chucking that table out.
Yeah, lady across the street. Elderly lady. Her dad and her grandpa and shit in the garage. She's starting to clean it out so that her daughter doesn't have to when she kicks the bucket or something.
Right on.
You still getting a little bit of scrappy?
Yeah, not very often, but here and there. You should just buy this one, put a dump truck on it. Nice truck.
Not a long wheelbase.
Cut half the cab off.
Nicer than my truck.
Yeah. Wonder if this door opens. Oh, no way, it does. Huh, funny that.
What year is this one?
07.
Old farm wagon?
Yeah, some construction truck or something.
Got over there. Half a pipe cutter.
Tube and cutter. Probably still mostly kind of good. That's a good one for the fucking dormitory. Well, that's handy. I just brought
get them ones you got and just screw them in. Wish they would hide that shit. Huh?
Yeah, do I still got them? Or did they give them to you?
No,
I had
they
a set,
still
didn't
in the shipping container. I never took them.
Probably still here somewhere.
Can't remember if it was that one. I don't think it was that one. One of them anyway.
Oh no. Still mostly kind of good. Oh dear. Quit inwood?
Yep.
Okay. Smoke cigarettes.
Nope. Quit. 64, don't do her no more.
64? No 65?
Next year.
Holy fuck. Good lord.
Okay.
Right on.
See ya.
See you later. Happy birthday! Fucking crawdads 64. Holy shit. Oh dear. This tire flattened situation's starting to get old, hey? Starting to get old a little bit.
All about today.
Should buy this truck off me. Trade me that one. Right, my dump truck.
What's that?
See him? Right in the fucking hole right there.
Oh, the bird?
Yeah.
Yeah, I seen those fly out of there.
I wonder if he likes pats. Holy shit, he's a weird one, eh? You like pats?
What kind of sparrow is it?
I don't know.
Yeah, yeah, that's the sparrow.
Huh.
Oh,
Yeah, he's fucking not
bombing.
happy about the fucking...
Dive bombing.
Lean on my finger! Yeah, he's not happy about going over there. You know you're in my dump truck, eh? Like,
Fuck. I got one.
There's a fucking tree right there.
I got one nested in my fucking garage right now because one of my garage doors broke.
Yeah.
So it caught something one day and put a little bow in the top panel. I straightened it out. Then one day I had the back shop open. It was windy out, and I went and closed the front bay door, and the fucking wind was rushing there so much it fucking bolted the door. When it got to a certain point, it just like crunch.
Holy
like fuck, popped the windows out and like son of a bitch. So now the window, I can't quite close the door quite properly, and the windows aren't there. So I got sparrows flying in there, making nests on top of the fucking garage door opener. Like son of a bitch. Every time I go in there, they're fucking freaking out on me. It's like, hey, it's my garage.
Yeah, I live here, Ted. Oh shit.
Fuck.
Huh.
Don't want to get too carried away.
Look at it. A little egg.
Yeah.
It just farted out an egg on my tire. Weird.
Good spot. You can come here Monday morning if you want. We can just start going to town and shit.
Right on.
You got something else on your agenda?
I gotta go
No
try.
painting fucking dicks on the back of my fucking shirt and stuff though.
Well, you can't wear a dark shirt though. You gotta wear a light shirt or it doesn't show up very good. All right, well, fucking, I guess we're planned for Monday morning. If anything changes, I'll let you know.
Yeah. Make a day of it. Unless a whole bunch of shit you want to move or do.
Yeah. Right on, man. Have a good one. Play trapter? Let's play trapter. Well, I gotta go. There's a guy who wants his freaking shed moved. 2 of them actually, but beg my pardonski. Oh yeah, grease gun. We'll grease my friggin' arsehole there because some bitch is a little sticky. But anyways, we got this friggin' forks changed and the friggin' loader moved and the skid steer loaded and get over to buddy's house, spend 5 minutes moving sheds, and then come back, unload the skid steer and dig around there. Already done. Better than driving friggin' an hour. Holy shit. Just like lifted the rear wheels of my truck off the ground. I just gotta go. I shunted my truck like 2 feet forward. Holy shit. Holy shit. The rear wheels were in that trough. That was scary big time. I just like start sending my friggin' truck. Sakes, I should have had that on. I can't find my friggin' my one tripod stupid camera mount thing. I was looking for it and I couldn't find it, so I just was like, F it. And then I almost send my friggin' whole spiel into the celery and don't even have it on a movie, so right on. You know, there's where the ramp started out. And like, you know, won't even go down now, but she's a lot lower to the ground. Like skiddy on there. Oh yeah. Yeah, the rear tires are just in that, so that's not cool. I had the trucking gear too. Oh, that was probably excellent for the transmission. Just fucking hammering on it. I should have put it in 4-wheel drive. Put it in 4-wheel drive, put it in gear, e-brake on, then no move. I apologize. So a lot of guys will friggin' panic. Once the rear wheels come off the ground, the whole rig starts moving. And they just like panic and like stop. And then the rig just keeps right on going. So you gotta either get the f on the trailer or get the f back off it. You know what I mean? I chose off just because I was scared where I pee, but anyways, we should be just about ready to go here. Got some straps, got the forks, different things. Look at the rig, boys, holy shit. Little painty poo, and it'll be just awesome. I got black fenders, I should just switch for actual black fenders probably. Oh yeah, you see he's on there, apologize for that. Okay, go. Check this out, boys. Brand new road to Inwood. Holy shit. Yeah. Better at least get the unload, eh? Holy. for a whirl?